everyone, Action School Energy shoes. So let's see the unboxing and review. I got size 5 in brown color, MRP is 999, but on Amazon we got it only for 662, 34% discount. You can also get these in white and black color options, and the size from 8 kids UK all the way to 10 UK. And these are fox leather shoes with hook and loop velcro, super easy for kids to put on, and there is no separate heel. The support is built in the soft EVA sole. Inside you get memory foam insole, really cushioned and comfy. And these shoes are super lightweight. Each shoe weigh only 200 gram, gives you a great grip, and these are unisex shoes, boys, girls, anyone can wear. My kids wore them for hours with zero complaint. And a few days back I reviewed Lancer school shoes. Honestly, the comfort level of Action feels even better than Lancer. No issues at all, really good shoes. So if you are looking for school shoes for your kids, definitely give Action School Energy a try. Link is given in the description box, and like the video. Bye bye.